Hello children, how are you all? I welcome you all in today's English class. My dear children, in today's English class, we are going to begin with our new lesson from your English course book, lesson number 9, and the name of the lesson is It's Children's Day. My dear children, in today's class, we are going to cover page number 87 and 88. Okay, so let's begin. My dear children, today we have a different topic in this class. We celebrate Children's Day every year on 14th of November. So my dear children, in this lesson we are going to learn about our first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. So let's begin with this chapter in which we are going to study about Chacha Nehru, the first Prime Minister of our country. So let's begin with the reading and explanation of this chapter. Title of the lesson is It's Children's Day. Today is 14th November. Do you know why it is an important day? My dear children, in this chapter it is asked that it's 14th of November today. And do you know why 14th of November is important for all of us? Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was born on this day in 1889. He was a great freedom fighter and was the first Prime Minister of India. My dear children, on this day means 14th of November, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's birthday, we celebrate every year. He was a great freedom fighter. F-R-E-E-D-O-M. Freedom. F-I-G-H-T-E-R. He was a great freedom fighter. Freedom fighter means a person who fight for the freedom of his or her country. He was a person who fought for the freedom of our country. And after free India, after we became free, he became the first Prime Minister of our country. Pandit Nehru loved children and was always ready to spend time with them. My dear children, why we are studying this chapter? We are studying this chapter because we know that Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru used to love children. Means he used to love you all. He was always ready to spend time with children. He was fondly called Chacha Nehru by all children. Fondly. F-O-N-D-L-Y. My dear children, fondly means with love. As he used to love children, so all the children used to love him and also used to call him Chacha Nehru. In fact, most of his famous pictures are with children. In fact, my dear children, most of his famous pictures are with children. If you learn more about Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, you will come to know that he used to be clicked with children. Most of his photographs with children, like you all. That is why his birthday, 14th November, is celebrated as Children's Day, as he used to love children. So his birthday, 14th November, we all celebrate as Children's Day. My dear children, did you know that he started wearing a rose on his jacket after a child pinned on it? So my dear children, he started wearing a rose on his jacket after a child pinned one on it. This is a very interesting information that whenever you will see Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's picture, you will see a rose pinned on his pocket, and it is because one day a rose was pinned on his jacket by a small kid. Pandit Nehru also founded the National Bal Bhavan for children. It provides various activities for them. Here, a word founded, F-O-U-N-D-E-D, founded means set up or started. So, my dear children, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the founder of the National Bal Bhavan, which was made for children only. Okay, it provides various activities for them. This Bal Bhavan includes many activities. These creative activities are organized in this Bal Bhavan specially for kids. Schools all over the country celebrate this day. Children dress up in various colorful clothes and go to school. Means 14th of November is being celebrated as Children's Day all over the India in schools. On this day, children used to dress up in colorful clothes and they go to school, and there the teachers conduct many activities. The teachers conduct many activities like fancy dress competitions, quizzes, dance and drama, etc. In some schools, teachers also perform in cultural shows to entertain the children. So, my dear children, they conduct many activities for the kids on that day, like fancy dress competition, quizzes, dance and drama shows. And many more activities are conducted on this day. The children get sweets and chocolates. It certainly is a very enjoyable day. Like most of the time, the children used to perform many activities for the teachers, but on Children's Day especially, the teachers perform activities like cultural activities for children. On this day, at the end of the day, when children come back from the school, they get sweets and chocolates from their teachers, and the day become very memorable for all the children. With this, my dear children, I hope you must have understood about the chapter It's Children's Day. Thank you. God bless you all. Stay home. Stay safe.